How to manage captions on Google Chrome mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage captions on Google Chrome mobile. First we're gonna do is go to Google Chrome and then click these 3 points here, and now click this one, settings, and then go down and you will find here accessibility. Click on it and then click here captions, and here just turn this one on and you can manage here anything you want, and then just go back and it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.